Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. 2020 was the year where I did try a lot of different makeup. I bought new brands and yes, I did work on my makeup technique as well. Being a content creator, I do buy a lot of makeup. I do show you a lot of makeup during these big huge hauls and I happen to review them as well. But sometimes it gets a little overwhelming and confusing as well. And I thought, why not sit down and show you the 10 makeup products in the drugstore category where I feel my money was spent well and they are one of the best purchases of the year 2020. So without rambling too much, let's get into these makeup products and why not discover these 10 in particular. If you haven't tried any of these, you should be eyeing them in your future as well. So let's get started. First up, a foundation which is something I feel best launched in the year 2020 and no other drugstore brand actually got me excited is the Lakme 9 to 5 Prime Plus Matte Foundation. Now this foundation is just gonna cost you 475 rupees and you get 16 shades to choose from. For Lakme, I feel it was a big step and for us it was a big surprise as a shock as well because I was not expecting 16 because I don't see Indian brands doing more than 3 or 5 shades. So yes, it was a big step but a good one and I really loved using this foundation. This is my personal favorite foundation and it made it to my best of 2020, my monthly favorites, as well as now it has reached to this top 10 as well. Again, well formula, matte foundation, can be worn by combination to oily as well as dry skin and it has a nice sheen going on. So I absolutely love this foundation for my skin. I have to repurchase it because mine is completely over. It was over a long time back. I just saved it for this video. Soon I will be buying it and repurchasing it. And yes, something which you should be eyeing for yourself. 475 का है, ज़्यादा हिट नहीं करेगा पॉकेट और आपको अच्छा भी लगेगा ये फाउंडेशन. अगर आपको इस फाउंडेशन को कंपेयर करना है किसी फाउंडेशन के साथ, then it can go very close to Wet n Wild as well as my L'Oreal foundation. So for the price, you're definitely getting a good one and one of the best launches in the year 2020. So yes, Lakme, you have done it. Moving on to another face product, something which I feel is very much underrated and not many people talk about this product, but I personally love it for my skin and I have been constantly wearing this and I feel this is the only product in the drugstore which I picked up in the year 2020 from this category called bronzers and I have been constantly using this and I feel you should also give a try to this bronzer. This is the My Glam Pose bronzer. Now they do not have too many shades. This is something which I still feel a lot of Indian brands are lacking, launching more shades in their powder products as well. But to my surprise, this bronzer has 2 shades already. One is a little lighter and one is more deeper. So what basically you can do, you can use them separately, but the best way is to scroll your brush and then use the bronzer. I like this bronzer a lot. I would say I love this bronzer a lot and you have seen me using this bronzer like a million times. It really sits well onto the skin. It is blendable, smooth, buttery. It doesn't give you those streaky bronzer application. Today also I'm wearing it on my skin and it just sits well. It complements winter as well as summers. All in all, a wonderful product, a wonderful discovery and I absolutely love it. Again, something I picked up in 2020 and मुझे लगता है मेरे 699 पैसे वसूल हो गए हैं and I am not unhappy about it because when you buy a product and you do not use it enough, you don't feel the worth of it. And here I just feel it's just right. It is just perfect. So yes, if you haven't tried My Glam products, then you should be eyeing few. Let's move on to another face product, another wonderful brand and a brand who is really giving competition to, or I would say a path for other brands to understand and do it their way, I would say. So it's the K Beauty Illuminating Highlighters. Now, before I get into the product, K Beauty is first ever brand, I would say, has been launching multiple shades in their powder product. Tell me which brand has done it earlier. Let's not get Maybelline or L'Oreal in between because they're not Indian brands. And secondly, they also do not come out with 6 shades in India. Instead, they have more shades in US. I've checked their website. But in India, you will merely get 3 shades in their powder product. But K Beauty has maintained the consistency and get more shades to us because they understand, I feel, we are Indians, and India may you get a lot of different skin tones. So I would just give that shout out to the brand. So yes, K Beauty Illuminating Highlighter. Again, you get 6 or 7 shades to choose from. Oh my god, look at the shade. This is such a stunning shade, Champagne Fizz. There's another shade called Sunlit Gold, which I'm eyeing for the longest time. Something well done by K Beauty. Another wonderful launch last year, and the highlighter most worn by me. Today also I'm wearing it on my skin. You can wear this highlighter as more of a skin-like highlighter. You can wear this highlighter as more of an intense highlighter as well. So if you haven't tried K Beauty highlighters, then you should give a thought, or thought bhi nahi, le hi lo. You will thank me later. But something well done and something well discovered by me. Just so you know, you are going to discover more K Beauty products in this video, because this is one brand who was launching slowly but launching good products. Moving on to another wonderful launch by K Beauty, and something I personally love for my skin, because I'm a person who doesn't like to use these kind of products, but the formula is such that you cannot resist, is the K Beauty loose powder, the loose setting powder. Oh my god, I have the Maybelline Fit Me one, but I do not use it because it's super thick and it enhances the texture on my skin, or maybe just dry out my skin excessively. But this powder controls the sweat, it just fixes everything well, and I'm done. I have used this powder in the morning around 10 o'clock. It is, let me tell you the time. Okay, now it is 1:43 precisely, and I have not done any kind of touch-ups on my skin, neither no sweat on my forehead. So you imagine how good this powder is. Even if you bake, you do not bake, you want to just brush up on the face, this powder does the magic. It just airbrushes your skin and sets everything in place. So if you haven't tried a loose powder, and if you want to try a loose powder, then K Beauty is a good option. $7.99 ka hai, but worth every penny. You will not repent after buying this one. This is the shade Banana. आपको और भी shades मिलते हैं. You get around 8 shades to choose from. I have the Illuminating Gold highlighter also in the same range. So I love both. But this is the product which you should definitely try from K Beauty. Personally, for me, 2020 was the year for base products or face products, because I did try a lot of different face products. Coming to another one which is again underrated, and I feel nobody talks about this blush, is the My Glam K Play blush. Oh. I'm wearing this on my cheeks today. Oh, this is something well done by the brand, and for 645 rupees you get a huge pan of blush with such amazing tones. Yes, you heard me right, you get 3 shades in it, or 4 I feel, and all the shades are different from each other. I have another one also which is brand new, and this blush, particularly this one, is my favorite, because the shade is pretty different, and I don't have anything like this in my vanity. I have a lot of blushes, but this one stands out. The formula is pigmented, but it gives you enough time to blend, and it stays on. So as I said, I wore this makeup at 10:30, and the blush is still on, and it is hot now. It is summers, so this blush stays on, and I just love it. I just don't have enough words to describe it. It has made it to my favorites. It makes to my monthly favorites, and I always recommend this blush. And whenever you have seen a popping blush on my cheeks, it has to be this one. So if you haven't tried Kay Play blushes, then you should. And this is definitely one of my best purchases last year. Now the next blush which I'm about to show you, I was not planning to show you, but then I cannot wait any longer to show you this, because then I have to wait for another 1 year to show you this blush. So why not just cover it up? So this is the Kay Beauty Matte Blush. Oh, again, something well done by the brand. You get 8, or I think you get 8 shades to choose from. And these are matte blushes. They stay longer. They have such amazing shades to choose from. Again, $7.99. But when you will buy the blush, use the blush, you will feel, okay, I did not pay much because I've got an extremely well done blush. Now a lot of you have a complaint also. Not anyone has complained to me as of now, but I have read a lot of comments on other videos that these blushes don't stay for longer or more than 15 minutes. The only reason I see not performing these blush, because these blushes were launched when it was peak winters and our skin was extremely dry. So what basically happens when we put a lot of matte makeup and we put powder products and layer it up, then our actual powder product, which is the last step, blush, bronzer, doesn't show up well onto the skin, because the powder which is already existing is not letting the other products to stick on to the skin, because the weather is dry. Use these blushes in your summers, you will see the blush will stay for longer. And even if you want to work out these blushes in winters, because I was wearing these blushes in winters as well, constantly I have worn the shade Deep Plum and Mild Berry. Now I have shifted to Sugar Candy as well as Mild Berry. So what I basically do, I do not use a very extreme matte makeup. I used to go in with some dewy products, and then these blushes would stay longer. I have never gone back and did a retouch up on the blushes with the Kay Beauty ones. So definitely worth trying. If you have any second thoughts, I think this video would help you to understand. But one of the best discoveries, because I did not purchase this blush, but something well done by Kay Beauty. So we are done with all of our face products. Let's move on to some eye products. So the first one I have is a brow product by Sugar Cosmetics. Something out of the box, something I never felt that I would be able to use it, because जब मैंने पहली बार इसे use किया था, I was like, what is this? But when I start using it, I got obsessed with it that I have to repurchase it soon. Is the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Powder in the shade 01 Cherry Brown. Something well done by Sugar. This is something unique, different. Yes, there are a lot of brands who have done powder products in the brow category, but ये काफी different है, because पहली बार बहुत easily use हो जाता है. It gives you those nice bushy filled in brows, and for the price you're getting an extremely good product. Once they are on your brows, they're not going anywhere. Yes, application can get a little messy, but do not mind that, because if you want bushy brows, thoda sacrifice karna padega. But for $4.99, you're getting an extremely well done product here. You just get 1 gram of product, but that 1 gram is going to last you. I have used this product so much, I still scrape out and use it. Isliye I'm not opening it and showing it to you, or else बहुत product waste हो जाता है. So yes, again, something well discovered last year, and I absolutely love it. Since I already showed you a brow product, why not show you another one, which is again one of my favorites, something well done by Calabar, is the Calabar Wow Brow Crayon Pencil. Now imagine this pencil as your brow pomade, the pomades which you get, जिसमें gel, wax सब होता है, and then you just scrape it out and use it, and spoolie से you just brush off. This is that product in a pencil format, and it has small fibers also in it. So basically this product is going to add a lot of volume, little hair strands, or maybe just give you an illusion, and add a little volume, depth, and you can just pick up your spoolie, brush off, and you are done. Since इसमें already वो wax है, so you don't have to pick up another wax to fix your brows. ये बहुत instant, easy to use product है. So if you are someone new to the brow step, try using products like this, because what happens, you can wipe it easily, you can fix your brows faster with these kind of products. मुझे ये पर्सनली इसलिए भी पसंद है बिकॉज मैं बहुत कम टाइम स्पेंड करती हूँ अपने ब्राउज पे. आई लाइक टू कीप माई ब्राउज एज नेचुरल आई कैन, बट जस्ट टू गिव अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ फिलिंग एंड जस्ट ब्रश ऑफ. आई डू नॉट इवन लाइक shaping them like a sharp cut brow, because I do not enjoy it on my face. I look very angry woman then. Yes, your brow shapes and the way you fill them, it really reflects your personality in a different way altogether. So be watchful and mindful when you do your brows. So just do not follow things blindly. If you feel a certain kind of brow looks good on you, do that, because everyone's face structure is different. So yes, this one is again well discovered past year. I already have a backup on this product. So brow ke liye to I will definitely give this product like 20 on 10. Let's move on to another eye product, and this is not very old, but I got this in the month of November, and from that time I've been constantly wearing it. Is the Faces Canada Ultime Pro, a matte made in heaven ink eyeliner. What a mouthful name it is. Again, felt tip eyeliner, sketch pen format में है और jet black है. I am a person cannot go without eyeliners, and I have to have the perfect one. Or last year was not a good year for me, because I did try a lot of eyeliners, but not every brand is doing well, I would say. They're just, I don't know. I would like to make a video on that also. Do let me know if you want to have a list of eyeliners I did not like, because yes, there is a huge list of eyeliners I did not enjoy last year. So in those so many, this one definitely stands out. This is perfect for my liking. So easy application, matte formula, smudge proof and stays longer, and it applies on any kind of eye look I'm wearing, shimmers, glitters or matte eye looks. So if you're looking for an eyeliner which is in budget and a good one, this is the one to go for. So 2020 was the year where I discovered a lot of face products, eye products, but eye में मैंने ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं दिया, because when I checked my vanity, I figured that I already have a lot of eye products going on. But there were 2-3 things which I was constantly hunting, was eyeliners and brow pencils, because brows में I'm very particular, and eyeliner is something which I have to have, and there is a point when your eyeliner gets dried down and you want a new one. And being a content creator, I can just go and buy the old ones, but I want to try new brands as well. And this is what was happening, and a lot of eyeliners didn't go well with me. So do let me know through your comments if you want to have a look on those eyeliners as well. Now moving on to the last 2 products, and these 2 products are the eyeshadow palettes. So last year was not a year where I was buying a lot of eyeshadow palettes, because of firstly lockdown. Secondly, I realized that I have way too many palettes, but compared to many other content creators, I'm still doing really good onto my eyeshadow collection, because I keep decluttering as well. But these 2 in particular I absolutely loved, and these are the 2 palettes which I bought in 2020 itself. The first one I have talked like a million times already on my channel, and it made it to my best of 2020 and top 5 eyeshadow palettes as well, is the Manish Malhotra My Glam palette in the shade Rendigiveness 2. Something well done by a drugstore brand, something well done in formula wise as well. It is 1850 palette, but काफ़ी अच्छी पिगमेंटेशन है, ब्लेंड्स बहुत अच्छे से होते हैं shadows, and my personal favorite are these 3 mattes which I constantly wear. Even if I want a simple smoky look, एक shadow उठाती हूँ मैं and I'm done with my eyes. You really don't have to do too much with your eyes. Sometimes we over blend our shadows. With this palette, you don't have to do that. Simple blending, more than enough. And the shimmers are also well done. All in all, a good palette for the price. I do not mind paying 1850 for this palette, and I bought this palette for 1850. I didn't get any discount. but I'm really happy with this purchase because I feel it is worth 1850 after using the palette. So there are certain times you feel why it is for 1850, but then when you start using it, it's like nahi, it is worth 1850. Moving on to the last product, and an eyeshadow palette which is worth 2400. But when you will receive this palette, when you buy this palette and you start using it, you feel it is worth 2400, or you would have at least paid a little more on this palette. So yes, this is something again coming from a drugstore brand and something well done by an Indian brand, Tan Beauty. This is the palette, this is all I need. And frankly speaking, when you will buy this palette and you are not a content creator, you're just buying palette for yourself to use it daily, party mein, reception ke liye, shaadi ke liye, you will feel this is one thing which will fit all of my looks and I can do a lot with one palette, is definitely this one, and this is all you need. So this is all you will need when you buy this palette. Again, a palette which has a lot of shades going on. It's a very versatile palette with colors, warm tones and cooler tones. All the shadows are pigmented. These shadows can actually be used in a multi-way. You can use it on your face. There are certain shades you can use it as a highlighter as well. There are certain shades which you can use it as your contour and bronzing as well. Follow the Tan Beauty page because there she actually demos and tells you how you can use this palette in many different ways. But my personal favorite, and today also I'm wearing this palette on my eyes, only the matte shadows. No fall off, and I could just achieve this simple easy look with this palette. Again, something I have been using a lot and a good discovery in the year 2020, and one of my best purchases done in 2020. Definitely 2020 was the year where I did bought a lot of makeup and did worked on my makeup skills as well. But I see my money well spent on these 10 products because these products do work absolutely wonderful on my skin, and I do not see myself getting bored with these products. I will definitely go back and repurchase them if they finish. But yes, these are the products which you should be eyeing in your future. These are wonderfully done by the brands and do not have any second thoughts on them. I will be linking down everything in my description if you want to grab one for yourself. I will be here soon with some more makeup, some more skincare and some more reviews. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @bronzinggeek. It will really mean a lot and it will definitely adds up to my follower count. I will see you in my next one. Till then, you take care and ta-da.